Hello everyone and welcome back. So I've got some news for you guys. Some of you guys came to me in comments and you asked, what do I do if I'm not very good at drawing, or are you thinking about selling your designs? And for quite a while I was thinking, no, I'm not going to sell my designs. As an artist, they're my designs, I'm going to keep them. And then of course things in the world have changed, but also this YouTube channel is here to help you guys as well as me. So I have been working behind the scenes to get you guys some designs. So they are transferable designs that you guys are going to be able to use to burn on hats. They're also going to be able to be used for you guys to sell them in your shop as long as you are a small business. So this is quite exciting, and I'm going to show you guys some of the designs. So first up, your designs will come on, I think they're going to come on an A4 sheet. If it's not an A4 sheet, it'll be split into two A4 sheets. And what you'll be able to do is print these out and resize them on your printer. Most people just have an A4 printer, so that's what I'm working with, is for you guys to be able to print them through A4. I have an A3, but don't worry, I've not made them A3. They are A4. So one of them is these potion bottles. And as you can see, my designs are hand drawn, and then I go into Procreate and I tidy them up so they are perfect for printing out. They are not stock images, and they are definitely not AI, which I know there are some people out there doing that. These are not them. They are 100% created by me. So you are definitely getting your money's worth when you are ordering your designs. I realized I actually forgot to mention to you guys as well that the reason they are done on an A4 sheet like that is so that you can cut them out and design them on the hat the way you want them to be. So they're not just one design. So I noticed when I was looking around on Etsy and things that you're pretty much buying one design for the hat. I've created these so that you can do multiple designs from this one sheet. So you can move them around, you can put a flower here, a flower there, you could put things at the sides, you could have it all the way around if you wanted to, but there are multiple different ways of being able to use these designs, and it's up to you guys to play around with them and get the perfect design that you want. So I forgot to mention that in the video, so I'm going to jump off and let past Steph keep speaking. They will come with a workbook, and your workbook will tell you exactly how to print them out, exactly how to transfer your design from paper to hat, and where to get the supplies, as well as some extra bits and pieces on there for you. But I'm very happy with them. They're very cool designs. So I think when we launch, they'll have launched now, because this will be a Saturday. They'll have launched now, and I think I'm going to launch 3 sheets. So there will be potions. Very cool. Now I have lots of sheets, but some of them still have a couple of bits to go. Then we've got lotuses and koi fish. Very cute. And then we've got wild flowers as well. So I have made it super easy for you guys. Go on, follow the instructions. The price is what it is. The price gives you the right to be able to sell them, not sell the designs, but sell the hats with my designs on them. And it also, they're made by an artist. Like I said, these aren't stock images. I hand drew every one of these, tidied them up in Procreate, sorted them out so you can print them, and you get a workbook. So the price is what it is because of all these combined things together. But I am very happy with them, and I'm sure you guys will be too. So I'm excited for you guys to be able to use these designs. I'm excited to see you guys use these designs. So if you ever want to reach out and show me your stuff, please head on over to Instagram and give me a shout. But yeah, these will be on Stan, which is also where you can buy my ebooks. If you're new to hat burning, we have a beginner's guide, we have an advanced guide, and we also do a discount on the two together. So you should definitely check those out. And now you have designs as well to come along with it, which is really cool. So it's like a one-stop shop for hat burning. Love it. Okay, well, I'm very happy with this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you're super excited for these designs to come out, please give the video a thumbs up. So, as always, thank you so much for coming and hanging out. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you next time.